Hey, I'm Jesse, I'm 31, and I live in the Netherlands. Right now, I'm working as a trainer's assistant. And it's a decent gig to keep the lights on, but it's not exactly living the dream. For the past few years, I've been obsessed with this idea, starting my own LED grow lights business. I've even built prototypes that boost plant growth. I mean, it's all my own tech, and I'm sure I can sell it to greenhouses, hotels, airports, anywhere that wants stuff to grow faster. Now, the thing is, I need $200,000 to get it off the ground. Spoiler, I don't have that. So I've been trying different ways to make a little extra income. A while back, I tried flipping cars. I bought an old sedan, fixed it up, and, tried to sell it. Turns out, nobody wanted an old, ugly car, even if it ran great. Then I tried out helping my friend in construction. We renovated a couple of apartments, but after one of the clients went ahead and just ghosted us without paying, I called it quits. And that's when my friend Kelvin started out prop trading. It's where you trade with a company's money and split the profits. He was doing surprisingly well, and I thought, dang, why not? I've tried trading before, and actually it was a lot of fun. But with my limited capital, I was mostly just, donating to the market. And what I liked about this prop trading idea is that if you mess up, it's not your money on the line. So here's my mission. Trade for 1 month, share my progress, and try to pass the assessment. End goal, to build enough capital over the next year to finally launch my business. Join me on this challenge. Let's see if this is even realistic, and check out how scammy this prop trading gig really is. Hey everyone! Today's day 1 of my quest. I decided to go with Kelvin's company SabioTrade. Based on his experience, the firm's actually legit. Plus, I checked out the website and it actually looks pretty good. So, there's that. They're beginner friendly, tons of courses, webinars, mentors, basically traders kindergarten. I just bought their cheapest plan, the Essential. It cost me 89 euro for a $20,000 account, thanks to the promo code that was on sale. Now I've got to pass their assessment. Basically, I need to prove that I'm not a noob by making 10% of profit. That's $2,000 on my demo account. There's no time limit, but I'm aiming to finish this in about a month. Okay, so if I pull this off, I'll get my own $20,000 account to manage, and 80% of those profits would be mine. I did some math, and with a bigger plan like the Pro 12, I could actually make around $15,000 to $20,000 a month. Multiply that by 12, boom, I would have hit my business goal. But first things first, let's pass this assessment. So, a week has passed since I bought the account, and so far I've earned $0. That's because I haven't started actually trading yet. I decided to use that week for prep. It's been a while since I traded, so I needed a bit of a refresher. Kelvin recommended I start out with the Trading 101 course to get familiar with the platform and the rules. It was pretty easy, especially since I've used MetaTrader before. I found some articles at Sabio Academy too, read some on risk management and the Heikin-Ashi charts. Alongside that, I started the From Zero to Hero course. Honestly, I still don't really feel ready, but hey, time is money, so I'm gonna start the assessment. Wish me luck, and I'll check back in a few days. What's up? So, today's day 4 of my trading, and I've blown my account. Bitcoin was surging like crazy, and I thought a couple of big fat crypto trades would just fast track my assessment. I saw my RSI cross into the overbought zone, and so I decided to short, but the price just kept going fucking up. I don't even understand how this happened. My trades all looked so legit, and the technical analysis was giving me clear signals. People in trading chats were all shorting too. I didn't even hesitate a second. Shit! Okay, it's almost midnight. I'm in a shitty mood because of what happened today, and yeah, I didn't just invest my money into the account, I actually invested, a whole week of prep as well. So, after thinking it over, I've decided to give it one more shot. One last shot! Yeah. Before I start over, I've scheduled a session with a mentor for tomorrow. Hopefully he's gonna be able to explain why my indicator is screwed up. So I'll be back tomorrow to tell you how it went. All right, so I got on this call today with the Sabio mentor Oleg. I showed him yesterday's trade, and we talked about the strategy and where I went wrong.
RSI is a pretty universal indicator, but Bitcoin isn't a standard asset. For crypto, I prefer using tailored strategies. For BTC, I usually go with the Bitcoin correction catcher strategy. Let me show you.
Today's Friday. I'm going to open a new BTC trade using this correction catcher thingy and leave it running over the weekend. I'm also going to do some Euro to USD and other crypto trades while the market is still hot. I'm a little bit off my schedule, so I really got to speed things up now. This weekend, I'm planning to watch the 9 strategies to achieve a million course. Oleg recommended it to me for more setups. See you on Monday. Hey guys, I'm back in the game with plus $90. My mentor's crypto strategy actually worked really great. Pretty much all my crypto trades are in profit. Not breaking any records, but hey, I'll take it. I keep watching the 9 strategies course. Right now I'm testing out 2 of them, the correction tracker and the candlestick sequence reversal. The candlestick sequence is killer. Take a look at this. Actually, I think I'm enjoying the candlestick pattern trading more than indicators. They're harder to read and need more focus, kind of like Pokemon Go, but they never lag and they give me more accurate and earlier signals too. I found the Sabio Start course at the Academy that talks about the candlestick analysis. And yeah, so I'll be back in a couple of days, hopefully, with some good news. Hey. So it's the last day of the trading week, and thanks to the candlestick patterns I picked up, I'm closing out with plus $200. Still $1,800 away from my goal, but I'm feeling way more confident than when I started. Let's see what this final week brings. Hey everybody, we kicked off this week with some really crazy news from all over the world, and the markets are fucking insane, to be honest. A few of the assets I traded spiked really hard and others dropped like rocks. What pisses me off the most is knowing that these volatile markets are actually the best thing that can happen to a trader. But I can't go all Indiana Jones because I don't want to repeat that whole drawdown again. I lost 2 out of 5 trades today. I managed to catch a couple of clean patterns though, so I ended up with up 50 bucks. Also, I checked out the Wave Rider, Sabio's channel with signals, and I'm pretty much overthinking everything lately, so I'm hoping that these signals are gonna give me some extra confirmation. Wish me luck. It's Friday, and my profit this week is under $100. I'm a bit bummed. Clearly, I didn't pass the assessment in a month like I was hoping for, but I did survive, and I'm still in the game. There's still a little bit of time before the market closes, so I'm gonna place a few more trades and check back Monday with my final thoughts. See you then. So, 1 month later, my total profit is $350. I didn't pass the assessment, plus I spent a lot of time studying instead of trading. I mean, there's no time limit on the assessment, which means I'm still in the game. Obviously, I'm gonna keep going, and hopefully, in a few months, I will get there. But this actually was the first time I've traded consistently with a strategy and human feedback, and I gotta say, I like the process a whole lot. I like the thrill when the trade hits, and it's not just luck, you know? It's skill, and yeah. That feels really good. So, here's my take. Prop trading is real, but don't expect any magic and prepare to suffer. Yeah, some prop firms make it sound like you're gonna get rich overnight, but unless you have like some serious experience already, yeah, that's not gonna happen. For people like me, it's a slow process. Okay, Thanks for hanging out. Hit like if you want to see how the story continues, or don't. You're adults, make your own decisions. Bye-bye.